Well, what's up, my friends? Today is day 10. I'm Steven from Drum Above, and we're going to do some 30-day drum meditation. One thing I've noticed about my previous videos, though, is that I've kind of not been breathing enough. I have, but it's kind of pretty important in terms of, well, I like to look back over my footage, always check what I'm doing wrong or right, or if this is actually getting me somewhere. I've noticed that that's kind of a big fundamental, is the breathing. Especially with, if I concentrate too much, I've noticed that there's a few mistakes. So, what I'm going to do is today, we're going to do, obviously, I think you guys are figuring this out slowly, it's going to be a 10-stroke roll. But how are we going to do it? I'm going to try and make this as easy as possible, is we're going to do the 1, 2, 3, okay, so it's going to be 10-stroke roll, bam, right? But how are we going to do that with, making this easy enough for everybody to get into the flow and make sure it really benefits you, though, for the more advanced people as well. So let's do the 3-4, where you're going to be looking at 1E and a 2E and a 3 and 1E and a 2E and a 3 and 1E and a 2E and a 3 and 1E and a 2E and a 3 and... We're going to try breathing exercises. Alternate between either doing 2 bars, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, in, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, out. So that's kind of how long you're going to try. Or you could do alternating bars. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's pretty important to breathe. First of all, meditational reasons. Second, oh my goodness, you'll be alive. And 3, it actually helps you play drums a little bit more relaxed. And that's what we're trying to reach today. Look how freaking weird my thing looks on this. Okay, don't look at the camera. Alright. Yeah! Boy! Here we go. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Focus on the breathing out. once you feel comfortable with that, I want you to actually close your eyes. See if you, or just focus on a point if you don't feel comfortable with that. So just focus on something in the room and breathe. In through nose, out through the mouth. But yeah, it is rather important to find that breathing structure and actually how to play, and also to relax. You'll actually find, try something when you do this. I personally found it is when you are filming yourself, or just with a video camera, whatever, and you're playing. Don't breathe. Okay, now let's try breathing. Just sounds more relaxed, and that's what you want. You want that more relaxed feel. Specifically when you're behind the drum kit and you've got a metronome going like that. Especially when you're playing a groove, you know. You want to have that breathing. And don't worry, microphones won't pick you up too much. I know a guy who, quite a few guys actually, who sing them a different melody, which is funny. And I think a little bit weird. I'm sure they acclimatize their key when they're singing, but they actually hum when they play. There's a lot of, I do that with at least trying to think and like mimic out what I want to play. But with the humming, it actually like helps them to find it. The only problem is that it's been picked up in the recordings, and especially when he's not sure about the key or he's a little out of key, yeah, that's actually been a few problems for a few drummers. So each to their own. I find that just the strong breathing is actually helping a lot. I'm Steven from Drum Above. Thank you for so much pitching up for day 10. I'll see you tomorrow.